This is elevator 2 at Thompson Hall at SUNY Fredonia in Fredonia, New York. This was originally 70s Otis, and this was modernized with Innovation Bruiser fixtures. So it's a very loud, obnoxious chime. I think there's like a child care center in this wing of the building. Go up to 3, here you go. This one's a lot smaller. I think the other one's bigger. Here are 3. Back down to 1. It's like a chime like ruins your ears. Best lock on the cabinet. Best lock on the stop switch, where we have an FEO fire key switch. It's a basic stainless steel cab. This elevator is completely modernized. The only trace of the original elevator is on the door frames outside. Here we're back at 1. There goes, and that's going to be it.